Hello, our art friend. Today in Kilikandro, we are going to learn how to draw a gingerbread man hot chocolate. So let's start drawing. We're going to start by drawing a half circle for the top of the mug. On top of it, we're going to draw the whipped cream by drawing a curved line going up on the right side, then going down to the left diagonally. Then draw another layer of the whipped cream on top. Then a final layer on top, having a pointy end. Decorate the whipped cream with some chocolate chips. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. To draw the gingerbread man, draw a line coming out from the right side, then draw an incomplete circle for the face, and the U shape facing sideways for the arm. Then draw a U shape for the leg. The second half of the gingerbread man is hidden behind the whipped cream. Decorate the gingerbread man with hair, eyes, mouth. The bow tie, the buttons, and some decoration on the arm and leg. Or you could decorate it any way you want. On the other side of the whipped cream, draw an upside down letter U. And decorate it with some diagonal lines for the candy cane. Draw a large letter U for the mug. Draw half a heart shape for the mug handle, and another bigger one, partially hidden behind the gingerbread man. Decorate the mug with a big heart, or any way you want. Enjoy your hot cocoa. Now you can draw a gingerbread man hot chocolate. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.